thanks so much for stopping back. This is Amy. Tonight I'm going to do part 3 of the wine glass series that I've been working on, and just want to show you I just put the Mod Podge, this is actually dishwasher safe gloss, and I just put that over the hearts that I painted yesterday or stenciled on, and then added the red glitter. So I brushed off a little bit of the excess, but I'm not going to mess too much with that right now. I'll brush it off more once the Mod Podge dries, and I will be going back over this maybe in one more time or so, just to make sure it's sealed in nicely. But anyhow, I tried to do a video yesterday. Looks like I smeared some paint yesterday. Tried to do a video yesterday to show you that I had actually decided to go ahead and paint little dots around the top and around the base of the ball of the glass, but for some reason it didn't work, so I apologize for that. But anyhow, so this is what I'm doing. I am going to go ahead and show you again. I'm using Mod Podge, which is dishwasher safe gloss. It's basically for glass. You can use this product too if you want to use it to go over your glassware, just to give it some amount of durability. You can actually do that too. And so I'm just taking a flat brush. This should be probably about a 10 flat brush, and then just going ahead and putting a generous helping of the Mod Podge on each of the hearts. And that's why I say I try to brush a little bit of it off, but I really don't want to mess with the design, so I will brush more of it off once this dries and I get a chance to go back over it. So I probably will be creating another video just to give you the actual finished product. So on any of this, like when you're going over it, if you want to cover up any kind of paint that maybe came out from underneath the stencil, you can do so now. You can touch it up with the paint, or actually make the glitter part go over it. That's one reason too, yesterday I wasn't too concerned about whether or not this was opaque or whatever, that you could actually see the stripes underneath, which was fine. And this is the reason why I wasn't too concerned. I mean, honestly, really, even if you weren't doing the glitter, you could still just leave it. I mean, it's fine. Or you could take a brush and go over it and paint it, or could have stenciled over it again, leaving it on a little bit longer. But I think the finished product is going to be really cute. Obviously, this is not a glass I would offer for sale, where I would be doing multi. It's probably one of is what this will be. And one question I need to ask, because I really, I enjoy doing the glass painting videos, I really do, but I really need to get rid of the painted glass that I have now, so I can restock and continue on doing the glass painting videos. If I were to go out and buy more glasses to paint right now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what I would do with them. So if you have any suggestions, please put it down in the comments, what you think I should do. I had thought about doing maybe a restock sale on Facebook. Never done one before, so this will be my first one. Any thoughts? I mean, I do have them for sale in my Etsy shop, most of them. I'm not sure if I do have all of them. Most of them. But I really haven't sold any, and I think it's because I don't have a whole lot, and my stuff is a little bit more unique, I think, than what a lot of people are doing, so that could be a reason too. Maybe it's different, maybe it's not being found, I'm not sure. But anyways, let's keep going here with this. So again, put down in the comments if you have any thoughts on how I could easily get rid of these painted glasses that I've been doing and sharing with you, so that I can continue offering you more. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so if you like painted glass. I also do tutorials on just flower painting. I am looking into, I'm very interested actually into watercolors, so I might be doing some of that here soon. Still trying to perfect it. You know, I have an interest in a lot of different painting techniques. So yeah, this was just really easy. I just put the Mod Podge where I want it to be, and that's why I say I will go over these once they're dry and get all the excess off of them. What you're seeing on here right now is not going to stay on here because I didn't put the glue all over the glass. But just kind of brushing it a little bit to make it look a little neater. And that should be it for this evening. So don't forget, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get my notifications whenever I list something new. And make sure that if you like this, you give me a big thumbs up and that you share the videos. I'd appreciate it. Thanks again, and have a good evening until the next video, part number 4.